May bagong batas po ang tinatawag na Internet Transactions Act. Ano nga ba ito? Ako po si Atty. Matet Mangabat at narito ang ilang KMDI, kaalaman sa mga batas at impormasyon just for you. Republic Act No. 11967, or more commonly known as the Internet Transactions Act, is a new law that aims to protect online consumers and sellers by setting rules for online selling. Nakalahad po dito ang mga responsibilities ng e-commerce platforms, online sellers, and online consumers para masiguro na safe, secured, at maayos na online shopping experience para sa lahat. An internet transaction is defined as the sale or lease of digital or non-digital goods and services over the internet. Ang DTI po o Department of Trade and Industry ang may regulatory jurisdiction over internet transactions. Ilang salient provisions of this law is the prohibition to online consumers from canceling an order that has already been paid, involves perishable goods, or is already in the possession of the delivery service provider, unless the consumer uses electronic or digital payment services and authorize the crediting of the amount in favor of the seller despite cancellation. Ito po ay para maiwasan ang mga tinatawag na joy buyers at protection na rin para sa mga online sellers. Para naman sa mga consumers o buyers, the law recognizes the right of online consumers to pursue repair, replacement, refund, or other remedies provided under the Consumer Act in case of defect, malfunction, loss without the online consumer's fault, failure to comply with the warranty, or any other liability of the online merchant arising from the contract. Ilan lamang yan, kabalikat. Mabuting alamin ang inyong mga karapatan by reading the full provision of RA 11967. For more kaalaman sa mga batas at impormasyon, follow Kabalikat para sa Maunlad na Buhay Incorporated social media pages. Tandaan, mabuti ang may alam. Ako po si Atty. Matet Mangabat, masaya dito sa KMDI.